So, you guys, there is this pond over here, and I hear bullfrogs.
And the water's not in very good shape, is it?
Yep.
Let's show them. Let's take them and show them the water.
It's pretty dirty.
It's got green algae on top of it, doesn't it?
Yeah.
And we thought we were going to be able to fish. There is a few people out there on a rowboat and a kayak fishing. Here comes one of the kayaks by now. We're going to get this fire coals built up, and I'm going to use the iron skillet. I'm going to make Leland a cheese pizza, and while he's cooking, while his pizza's cooking, not him, I'm going to make me a deluxe pizza, and we're going to have a good dinner tonight. Unfortunately, this is the fact of being in the woods.
What?
Going to have to put some off on, or some type of mosquito repellent.
You put the bad one.
We have some citronella candles we're going to burn here in a little bit.
We're not going to burn them, we're going to light them.
Okay. He says we're not going to burn them, we're going to light them.
To make the mosquitoes go away, right?
Make the mosquitoes stay away.
There's our Jeep.
This is my first attempt cooking this pizza like this. Down here, pull this stick of butter out. I think we bought enough butter, a pound. And I'm just going to butter the bottom of this skillet. That way the bottom of the pizza crust will maybe get a little bit crispy. Yeah. So then, see if I can... Leland, could you go over there and get the aluminum foil for me by that box?
Exactly.
Do you know what aluminum foil is?
Yep.
Okay. And Leland doesn't like anything but cheese on his. So he's just getting cheese. When the grandkids are at the house, we have to get two pizzas, one with just cheese. Mine has to have the works. Let me get this knife out here. I've been watching a lot of A.B. camping.
I can't find it.
He doesn't know what it is. I remember when my dad used to send me for a Phillips screwdriver, and I'd say, yeah, I know what it is. I didn't have a lick of sense of what a Phillips screwdriver was. I just knew a screwdriver.
Grandpa, I know what it is.
Okay, bring it here.
I can't find it.
Oh, okay. So we're going to put that in there like that. And I might put a little butter on top too. Just because. Like I said, this is my first time. But I really enjoy that A.B. camping, that guy, and I don't know what his name is. I think it's Tony. And his dog's name is Bruce. The dog I'm picking up Sunday Her name is Star. So I got the top butter. Let me go see if I can get this aluminum foil. I'll be right back. Anyway, we found the foil, and I don't even know whether you can see me or not. I've got this in linear today instead of wide. Trying it in linear because it's supposed to be a better shot. But anyway, I got this foil. I'm going to cover the top up with this foil to hold the heat in and try to get this crust a little bit nice. And we have to put the sauce on. But yeah, I like that AB camping. He does a lot of talking. I don't do a lot of talking. Maybe I should. This has never been opened. He has a lot of nice tents, a lot of nice camping outfits. The last one I watched, he was in a rooftop on top of his truck. I have a rack on top of my Jeep, so I could not have a rooftop tent. The rooftop tent seems like a big hassle to me. I don't know. To each his own, I guess. And I wish I'd have brought a little bit of sugar put on that. So, let me trying to figure out how to spread this a little bit without using my fingers. Maybe I'll just use my knife. Spread this a little bit. Get it all over. I'm going to make my pizza while his is cooking. Right there's what it looks like so far. It's just pizza crust with sauce. And then I got a little butter on top and the bottom. And let's find the cheese. Where did I put the cheese? We have been picking up. We always like to leave the spot we camp in cleaner than it was when we got there. So we have picked up at least, I would say 15 things that was left behind before we came. But one was a tennis ball and some candy wrappers. But now we'll get this mozzarella on here. That's all you want, right? Cheese?
Yep.
Okay. He's pretty finicky. He don't like his hot dogs too overcooked. And he don't like pepperoni on his pizza. You want extra cheese?
Yeah.
Okay. We'll give him some extra cheese. Okay. We'll cover it up with this foil. Keep the heat in that way. I don't really know how long I should leave this over the fire. There she is. So we'll just leave her on there. I'm going to guess at about 10 minutes. I'll take the top off and look at it. We'll see what we got. I washed this pan the last time we camped. Dummy me, I didn't bring any plates. But I did wash this with soap and water the last time we camped. But I miss rinsing it out with regular water now. This is going to be his plate.
Guys, look. It's done.
Look at that. Look at that bottom. I don't know about you guys, but I think that is a pass for my second pizza. The bottom looks good too. It's nice and crispy. Iron skillet pizza over an open fire. Okay, I've got the trail cam on, pointed towards the tent, and we'll see if we get anything tonight. I may point it a little bit right of the tent, and because I think there's a game trail right over there, so maybe we'll get more if I put it to the right of the tent. You guys, we're probably not going to be out here much longer tonight. We're going to be going in, hitting the hay, and watching a movie.
Not yet.
On Prime Video.
Not yet, guys, though.
It's a real good movie. Last time I knew it was on Netflix, but it's called Leave No Trace. And although I've seen it before, I want to see it again. It touches on mental health and touches on people who like to be out in the middle of nowhere, just like we're doing right now, away from civilization. Don't know what the world's coming to, but it's not a very nice one anymore. So I'd just soon be out here than around other people. Well, everybody, we're going to turn in for the night. I'm going to find a movie to watch. We'll see you all in the morning. It's been a good day.
Yep.
It's been a good day, Lee. You turning in?